The error code F7 E1 on a KitchenAid range indicates a faulty common wire connecting the latch switch and the door switch, often caused by a shorted common wire. To fix this issue, start by resetting the power to the range. Switch it off, unplug it from the power supply unit, and switch off the circuit breaker for at least 60 seconds. Then, plug the range back in and switch the circuit breakers back on. Wait for at least 60 seconds to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, inspect the common wiring for any damage or shorts. Check the wires connecting to the control board, and if they are intact, inspect the latch and door switch. With the range unplugged from the power source, examine the cables connecting the door switch for any damage, and replace them if necessary. To test the door and latch switch for defects, use a multimeter to measure continuity between the normal, open terminal, and the common terminal. If the test does not indicate a complete circuit, the switch will need to be replaced with a new one.